If you've forgotten your Shopify password, you can recover it using the following steps. Visit the login page. Go to the Shopify login page on your web browser. Click Forgot. Below the password field, click on the Forgot link. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Shopify account. Submit request. Click on the Submit or Send Instructions button. Shopify will then send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Shopify with the subject line Reset Your Password. Follow the link. In the email, click on the password reset link provided by Shopify. This will take you to a page where you can set a new password. Set new password. On the passwords reset page, enter a new password for your Shopify account. Make sure it meets any requirements specified by Shopify, such as a minimum length or including special characters. Confirm password. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Save changes. Click on the Reset Password or Save Changes button to finalize the password reset process.